following is taken from Way of the Rope 2. For ropes and more rope flow tutorials, go to wayoftherope.com. Okay, and here we have the cheetah tail. I'm going to start with it behind you on one side. Drive the hand that is on the side it's on up and away, like backstroke. Thumb up and away and rotate the chest to that 45-degree angle once again. And just slowly build this. It really just takes a few goes and you'll start to get smoother and smoother. Thumb up and away and the rotation. It's all about the timing of the rotation with this one. So here we see it. You can see the chest turns to 45. Stays behind the body the whole time. Thumb up and away, backstroke as we rotate. And all it is the lift of the arm with the rotation of the body is what makes this happen. Up and away, down to the back. And the hands kind of come to meet. And just as the hands come to meet behind your back, the other hand starts to go. And that's what gets it fluid. Up, down and away. And then it kind of tick-tocks into the other hand. That goes up, down and away. And we get this rotational wave through the body. And then the underhand sneak to come out of it, which we're going to learn next. Simple as that, the cheetah tail.